Once you are done with the fit, the next icon is called brush. Okay, this brush has several icons, tools used to enhance the looks of your background or the photo. So let's go to brush. Once you're in the pencil, once you're in the icon for brush, you have several pencils that are used for this brush. You have the normal pencil. This icon highlighted in blue is a normal pencil in which you can draw. So you can see what I'm drawing. So the next icon is in dots. You can just draw in dots. This other icon is just for pencil with a neon effect, while this foot icon uses internet connection. You should also know that this icon, once it is as load, it requires internet connection, internet access for you to use several features in this icon. So you can use this to enhance your design, your flyer design, any type of design, whether photo manipulation or photo editing. Then this last icon, the last icon is simply to undo what you did. You can erase this diagram you just drew. Let's erase it. You can also erase this. As you can see, it has erased. So this is all about brush. I just discarded what we did with the icon drawer. This lens flare, the shape marks. Let's move to the shape marks. So as you can see in these shape marks, there are several types of shape. You have the circle, you have the shape for a triangle, you have several shape, the shape of an apple. So you can use this in case you want to add this to this image. You can simply put this, make it to be invert, so the color, white color, will come out, then increase the opacity so it can be easily seen by other people. Then put it, let's bring it down so you can see. You can put it in multiple, in screen, in add, or in overlay. And note that you can also change the color. This is the background color where you can change the color. You have the color wheel. You can change to either blue, red, depending on what you want to do, or you choose the color from the color wheel directly. Okay, let's choose a blue color and press good. So you can see I have chosen a blue color and it has changed already. So you can put this to multiple screen, or you can also put it to darken or lighten. So let's move backward. Okay, let's discard this. You have your frame, and the last icon is callout. Callout is basically a text written on a shape, any kind of shape that you want to write. Let's go to callout and see the example. So as you can see in callout, you can write anything you want to write. So you can also choose the shape you want to write it in. So this is it here. I can choose any type of shape. Let's choose this. Okay, let's write what we want to say. Let's just say hello, or you can say hi. Okay, hi. Then let's go back behind. Let's go back, press OK. Then you have selected this. You can also change you can fill in the shape with any color of your choice. Let's choose blue. You can see it is blue. Let's bring it up here. Let's put it here. Let's rotate it. So you can see I have rotated the image, and in any image you choose, note there will be icons used to enhance the image or the text in any, whether sticker or background. These are the image, So note, the next thing to do is to press OK. Once you have pressed OK, as you can see, we are done with the design. Then go to this icon located on the top bar, then highlighted in white, stroke in white. Let's go there. So you should note that this, you can share it, add an hashtag, then post it or save it. You can share it online. Note that Picsart is also a social media platform where you can share your design, give it to anybody you wish to, and add hashtag. So as you can see, you can either save it or post it online, so it depends on you. So you have come to an end in Picsart tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, and watch till the end.